Abenito Robert abire yamara amezi 8 RDC wabuhweju osindikirwe kumuzo mu bigere ne Karyesubira Fred obire na rugo mu district ya Kabare
abo kubaka uwita twiraha no twine nawe bizubuwero konka yashemeye gukora umwuga gw'inkakawe abo kuba izobero yarizo bari ya handover kandi nguko iteka kugamba mu standing orders kawo bamara kwa transfer no handing over office.
Now what's the key? Charles, do you have the keys with you as the staff? So it means now Mr. Chibonge, my good friend, is still in office.
Akoze agenzere yakora report asigera auditor ngo auditor gitushomere.
And I read it from the first page to the last one, and it is an incomplete report.
So hata echo nchoreka impunity na nakajugano akaba mwe bakawubini.
Godfrey Mwebaze umuhwezo wa RDC abwa buhwejo na nabebembeza abandi borekero kwatwa aho abwe kikorwe iki.
And then when we are writing the reports we are going to say the man was not given keys.
Tugambireho na DC oyanjere kwayo office hasumo kandi ibintu byatangariza hanshongeji.
And I have a personal secretary stamp that is those are non-issues. There is a personal secretary. Yeah. Ati nyono jakurga na kampa mo office nyo stamp ndati kwa sereo. Ati ngomga sogwa personal secretary.
Okay. Hone kibireho tikizibira bebembezo kwihanangiriza disomsya okugira enkwatanisa na nekigendererwa cyo kutungura district ya Buhweju.
The issues here are not serious, very serious issues. I think we shall be able to attend to them as a team.
Yes, Ubara is a senior technical officer who knows what to do.
Amakuru agagasha kwa Juliet Charles Sima.